fussing at him? I told you I was gonna bring Pluto. No?
I'm gonna go forward.
She's like, I'm just scared of everything and everybody. Okay, come on, Pluto. She don't want to play. And I'm surprised you want to play. Come on. She said, oh no, look at her. She no like. She no like. I know. Okay, come on, Pluto. Come on. Pluto.
Pluto, come on.
Pluto. Here we go. Come on. I know, Mukito. I know. She ran all the way over there. Oh, look at her precious little self. I know. I know.